Let's go. I want it together, yes? 5 and 5, yeah? Let's go. I'm joined by a hand-picked kitchen brigade. Over there is Ronnie. He's been with me now nearly 3 years. Quite a delicate touch and a bloody good cook. Greg, this guy used to be a management consultant until he saw the pilot light, and he cooks as if he's been in the kitchen 20 years. He's only been in trade 3 years. And every chef has a right-hand man, and my right-hand man is Sarge. He's been by my side now for close to 10 years. The other two cooks in the kitchen, who look absolutely petrified, are our trainees. We call them commies.
Matthew's a 20-year-old waiter who's desperate to make the step into the kitchen. Miller is 24 and works in corporate hospitality. She's passionate about food, but can she handle being bossed about?
Move your ass.
Neither of them has worked in a professional kitchen before.
With the lamb, we're serving a boulanger potato. The most important thing about this particular potato is like a layered cake. Got these wonderful caramelised onions, potatoes, onions, and then it's cooked with a really nice stock, so it acts as a bit of a sauce. Perfect for this time of year, and perfect with a lamb. Lamb, please.
Boulanger potatoes are easy to cook, but look sophisticated and are absolutely delicious. Simply fine slice of potatoes and lay them in a dish with sautéed onions. Season between the layers and pour some chicken stock over the top. Into the oven for 15 minutes and that's it, like dauphinoise, but, if anything, healthier and easier.
Let's go, Ronnie. Lamb in. 4 minutes on the hot plate.
Yep.
And served with the lamb, we've got the sort of sauté courgettes with tomato, like provençal, finished with a little bit of basmati vinegar. Courgettes are a very difficult vegetable to cook because a lot of people don't cook them enough. So therefore they get a little bit slimy, but soaking them in olive oil, beautifully done with salt, pepper, finished with a tablespoon of basmati vinegar. It's a really nice way of eating them. Just smell that now in front there. Smell in there. Yes? OK. How long for the first lamb?
2.5, please, Gordon.
How long? No, come on. Yeah, no, I started already. I said both, 5 and 5. Come on, let's go then.
Yeah.
Yes? 2.5, right. I want 2 pans done at any one time.
Sarge?
Don't say anything yet.
Yes.
Come on, Matthew.
How long on that lamb? Never thought I'd say that.
No. Listen, don't come here. Hey, I'm helping you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Don't take the piss out of me.
Sorry.
I'm helping you. So what the are you shouting at me? How long
Sorry,
for the lamb?
chef.
Or are you that stupid? So I'm here to help you, and now you're shouting at me how long the lamb.
Yeah.
Slice the lamb.
Yeah.
Do it yourself.
Sorry, chef.
Let's go, Miller.
Stupid.
Pull the plates in towards you so you can see them all the way around. Shake the bottle, Miller. Shake the bottle. Why are we shaking it, Miller?
To make sure it's emulsified.
So, exactly. So it's evenly distributed. Come on, let's go. Right, let's go. Come on. Yes? Come on, Matthew. Start sending. Start sending, Matthew. Clean your plates. Come on. 6 on 5, Miller, yes? Matthew, 6 on 15, yes? Check what you're doing. Go.
I've got 6 on 15, please.
Let's go.
So to follow, rack of lamb, pomme boulangère, and courgette à la provençale.
It's enormous.
Et c'est bien.
Fantastic.
Bonne continuation.
Let's go. Work with both hands, Matthew. Speed up. Ladies, how are we doing? Yeah, good to see you. I'd like to see you with a bone in your mouth. Happy?
Very happy.
Yes, good.
I thought it was lovely. The lamb was cooked to perfection. I love the lamping.
Are you going to finish that?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I'll get upset if you don't finish. You know that. How many glasses of wine have you had?
Quite a lot.
Quite a lot. Fantastic, yes? Good to see you.
I was vegetarian until 2 weeks ago, and I'm converted 110% now. I did think it was a bit pink, but the taste is just fantastic, absolutely fantastic.
Laughing and singing. Hello.
Oh, no, you devoured it. You finished it.
Do you know what? I loved it.
Serious?
I've never had lamb rare before. I've always been a bit scared of the blood, but I love this. It's nice, not too much blood oozing out.
No, and this time of year, autumn, has to be the perfect time. You said you don't cook at home. You must sort of cook something. Must be I don't know.
I do toast, and I do scrambled eggs. In a microwave, you put it in, I put a little bit of butter and a bit of sea salt in because it makes me feel like a chef.
You cook scrambled egg?
Yeah.
In a microwave?
Yeah. I don't have saucepans or frying pans. I don't own one. And I've got paper plates because then I can just chuck it in the bin. I don't have to wash it.
Beautiful kitchen, nothing in
No
it. No
plates?
Nothing.
Microwave to cook scrambled egg in? Have you got any knives in the kitchen?
A couple of normal ones, yeah.
I'm going to borrow you just for 2 minutes. I'm going to show you something absolutely crucial in the kitchen.
No.
Don't worry about that now. Just for 2 minutes. Now, the most important thing about being in the kitchen, OK, is learning, OK, to sharpen a knife.
Goosebumps. Oh,
no. Goosebumps where?
There.
They're absolutely fine. Right. Okay, what's that called? That's a.
Looks like something you measure rings on. Don't you know measure rings in the jewellers?
Oh shit!
No, what
That's a
is that?
steel.
Okay.
So we hold the steel now, left hand, and you sharpen a knife. That way you can cut your vegetables nice and thin. You can cut your meat nice and thin. You can slice your fish. Right, left hand or right handed?
I'm right-handed.
Yeah. Okay. So
That's in
there,
my left
look.
hand now.
Hold that in that hand. There, right. Just nice and slowly. Bend the wrist and show some flexibility on the wrist. There you go. Nice and slow. Careful you don't cut yourself. There you go.
I never thought I'd be doing anything like this with you, Gordon.
Just like 9.5 weeks. There you go. Now bend that wrist. It's too stiff, the wrist. So you're left-handed or right-handed?
I'm scared. That's
What's wrong with
why.
the wrist? There's no flexibility in that wrist. There. Now, you... No. Grace it. Nice big long strokes. Nice big long strokes of the knife. And there you go. Close your eyes. There you go.
There
now,
we go. Fabulous.
all
Why
the
do I
way
have to
down.
close my eyes?
Yeah, no, because you just listen to the noise. Hear the noise.
Okay.
Yes?
There we go.
Yeah.
Bit of
there you go.
rhythm.
Look, there you go. That nice. There you go. Okay. So now you know how to sharpen knife.
Is there
Okay.
anything else you want me to do?
For now? No.
Yay! I can go back.
There you go. Jesus Christ almighty.